Is anybody really excited if these guys show up at your door? Did you know the average lifespan of a Windows salesman is 3 months? Here today, gone tomorrow. Being nice, trying to build rapport to find a common ground. Quick to let you know that they're the man to do business with. Telling you anything they can to get your business. And it starts from the time you set your appointment. They tell you both homeowners must be present. They know without both homeowners present, it's likely they won't get a deal. So the story continues. Once they go through their presentation and they get to the close, everything changes, and it is time for you to buy. You do know most Windows salesmen work off of commission. And if they don't sell you while they're at your home, someone else can come in and earn your business. If the price isn't where you want it to be, they'll say, "Let me call my manager for another discount." What they say next is, if you don't buy it today, you'll lose this discount. And you decide to buy, and they say, "You made a great decision." Then they thank you for your business. All along knowing you bought it 30% over list price. I have great news. No need to deal with salesmen, long drawn out presentations, or pricing games. Introducing KempWindows.com, the easiest way to buy quality windows 100% online. No salesman needed. We're located in 43 cities across the country, and you can check to see if we're in a city near you. At KempWindows.com, simply determine the style and number of windows needed, input that information into our calculator, and receive your bottom line pricing instantly with no hidden costs. Don't worry, our relationship manager does all the scheduling, and our production manager does the measuring for you after your order is placed. Our local manufacturer will install your windows using our factory-trained installers. And best of all, you pay nothing until your windows are installed and you're happy, saving you time and money. Now the question is, which way would you like to do business? It's the Kemp way. Visit us at KempWindows.com.